And a lot of the fifth graders is just the traditional way. You go 6 times 7 is 42, leave the 2 here, carry the 4. 6 times 2 is 12, plus 4 is 16, placeholder 0. 3 times 7 is 21, carry your 2. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 2 is 8. Add them up. 2 plus nothing is 2. 6 plus 1 is 7. 8 plus 1 is 9. There's my answer. The thing that might be a little confusing is that those gray boxes that I have on there, for the online kids, I have those gray boxes so that they can just type their answer into there once they get it, and then share their work with me on a video app that we have through Google Classroom. So just ignore the gray boxes, and you can write right on it and then circle your answer at the bottom like this. This is the way that I was taught when I was in 6th grade and 5th grade and 4th grade. This is probably the way you were taught when you were in grade school. And I've told the kids multiple times, I don't care which method you use, but I taught them this way. This is confusing to some kids, so I taught them another way, so I'll show you that real quick, and that's what's up with those boxes. So we have an array model like this. We split up the number 27 and 36 into 20 and 7 and 30 and 6. And like I said, Angus doesn't usually do it this way. He usually does it this way. He always forgets this second number. He tries to break it up like this on the side and then adds up and everything, but he always forgets, like he'll do 20 times 30 and 20 times 6, and then he's done. And he doesn't do anything else. He never deals with the 7. He never multiplies 7 by 30 and any of that. So he tries to kind of do a combination of these, which is fine, but he loses track of his work usually. So if we're looking at this, how you do it with the array model is you ignore the zeros, because we did a couple lessons on how the zeros are just going to make these numbers 0, because 0 times anything is 0. So we ignore the zeros for a second, and we do 2 times 3 is 6. We count the zeros now. 1, 2. That's going to add 2 zeros onto our answer of 2 times 3. So 600. Ignore the 0. 2 times 6 is 12. Times 0. Put the 0 on the end. 6 times 7 is 42. 7 times 3 is 21 plus a 0. And you add these up, and you get 800, because 6 plus 2 plus 10 more is 810. And then 100 plus 2, 4 plus 2 is 6, plus 2, 162. Add those up, you get 2, 7, 972, same as over here. And I've told the kids multiple times, you do not have to do both methods to get the same answer. You use the method that works best for you. So if he doesn't want to do this, he can ignore the box on the paper. That box is just there to help you get the right structure if you choose to do that model. You want to teach him how to do this, and he wants to do it that way, he can do it that way. It's totally fine.